Water is vital to the existence of life on planet Earth. Whether the water is sitting in puddles in a driveway, draining from a sink, or running down a mountainside of the Sawtooth Mountain Range, it will at some time benefit at least one life form as it runs its course. Hopefully, by observing the watershed characteristics, we will be able to see that the pH of water is changing as it travels downhill and gains more acidity from soils and other polluting factors. Since we are the greatest consumers of water, we hold the responsibility of keeping it clean so that the water can be reused and kept clean as it flows downhill through other life zones. Nature can only provide as many nutrients as are available, and we are left with the responsibility to monitor the chemistry in order to better protect our wilderness lands. The water located in the Sawtooths travels through the surrounding watershed and deposits itself in the lakes and streams after it melts out of its snow form. If water is affected by pollutants at a high point of the watershed, the water will carry those pollutants from its source to the large body of water it flows to. The watershed for the Sawtooths will be coming from high elevations such as Mount Kramer, the Arrowhead, Ducker Peak, and Braxton Peak, where there are no large towns to produce large amounts of pollution, so whatever pollutants are found in the water are most likely naturally occurring. As water trickles down from its snowpack source, it runs over soils that contribute minerals to its chemistry. Some of these minerals are nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. These minerals are commonly deposited into water sources, but this all depends on the location of the soil. One important water quality test is pH. The pH of water indicates the acidity of the water, and it is another factor that is affected by soils and other organic materials. If the pH of water is increased or decreased in the Sawtooths by just a small amount, it can cause the chemical levels to change in the water. It is suggested that pH levels should be between 6.5 and 8.5 to support healthy, diverse aquatic ecosystems. Luckily, in the Sawtooths, the most common rock is granite, which neutralizes acidity, so pH doesn't fluctuate very much. A LabQuest probe can be used to test the pH of water. Although the soil in the Sawtooths might not contribute to the acidity of water, acid precipitation might. The neutral pH level of water is 7. However, acid precipitation can drastically cause this level to drop, indicating high acidity levels. If water is sitting relatively still in a lake, then the dissolved oxygen levels in that body of water will decrease. But if water is moving and aerated, it has more dissolved oxygen because as water moves faster, it creates more force, allowing more oxygen to be trapped under waves and caught up in the stream. Also, dissolved oxygen levels may drop due to an increased temperature of the water. When water is warmer, the solubility of water is less, which means the water can't hold as much oxygen. There are many factors that make water chemistry what it is, and each body of water is as unique as a fingerprint. Water has a never-ending life and is ever-changing throughout its journey.